Easy transcription job for beginners. Try today. Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make money online, and where you can get those online jobs, and you can make money online working as a transcriber for more than one company. For sure, transcription is one of the most lucrative online jobs you can do. I certainly feel this is a good choice. If you're looking to do online jobs as a side hustle, or full-time hustle, it's a good thing, in my opinion, because it's where the money is at. You may consider it to be a challenge getting these jobs, and this is why I'm here to point you in the right direction. AlphaSites.com are currently looking for transcribers to join their team, so let me tell you about the job and how to apply. Guys, don't go anywhere, and I'll be right back. What's going on, guys? This is Lorna Recommend Money Winners, and welcome back. If you're new to our channel, hello, welcome, and thanks for stopping by. Now you want to make sure you stay until the end of this video, so you don't miss out on any of the steps for these great high-paying work-from-home online jobs. So, if you're excited, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit that like button, so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated. Okay, let's dive right back into the video. Alpha Sites is an information services company who connects clients with people who want to make progress. I'm sharing this with you so that you can seize this wonderful opportunity with Alpha Sites, who are in the United States, London, the Middle East, Asia, and Europe. There are no geographical restrictions with online transcription that I know of, so you will be able to work from almost anywhere. The best way to know if they are hiring from your location is to begin the application process, so please always check the website application process startup, and that way you will know whether you'll be allowed to continue. I gather they are hiring globally, but if you know differently, then please don't hesitate to let me know in the comments section. In my humble opinion, Alpha Sites is a great company to work for. Working as a transcriber, you will be a freelancer with a flexible working schedule and freedom to choose your hours as you work remotely from the comfort of your home, which make freelance work so attractive and easy. According to the Alpha Sites job adverts, there are opportunities for further advancement when you join their transcription team. Now then, isn't it just great to be a part of one of the fastest growing companies in the world? For those of you who may not have come across transcription jobs before now, let me break it down for you. The job is to convert audio or a video into text. It could be a recorded interview, a discussion, a conference call, or even a conversation. You will be required to type and produce text from the above-mentioned. At times you may be required to convert recorded materials into blogs or articles, so, basically, your online job at Alpha Sites is to convert audio and video content into text, and you will be known as a business transcriptionist. It's important for me to let you know that they do not allow their transcribers to use any automatic speech recognition software. Your transcription must be typed from scratch, and you cannot rely on any automatic speech. So, if you, for any reason you are not able to type from scratch, then this job might not be the best fit for you. If you work part-time, then you should be able to make $1,100 in that month. Let's say your goal is to make $2,000 a month, then you will need to work on around 36 audio hours every month. Now then, in case you're wondering, it takes an average transcriber around 4 hours to complete 1 hour audio, so any audio that is less than 15 minutes should be transcribed within an hour. As a beginner transcriptionist, it may take you a little longer. Of course, the more you do, the more experience and skill you develop, and the standard rate of pay is between $90 to $180. You will, of course, improve on your listening skills, begin to type faster, and do your research faster for higher profit, as your turnaround time improves. Of course, I cannot guarantee that you will earn at the top end of that, because it's entirely down to you. Know for certain that you are the one who is in control of the amount of money you make, and the amount of work you do will depend on your availability and your typing speed. When it comes to making your application, you are required to enter the number of audio minutes you can produce per day. Presently, there is no limit set by the company. Guys, Alpha Sites is way more than a transcription company. They are looking for transcribers with around 3 years transcription experience. However, I believe you know your worth, and you can do the job and deliver. At the end of the day, they just want people who can do the job, deliver, and meet their expectations. So, if you can prove that you can do so, then you'll get the job regardless of your years of experience. Just realize that all you need to do is to promote yourself well when making your application. You do so by communicating your value proposition in a very articulate manner, and there is no reason for you not to get the job. Let me touch on some other basic transcription requirements. Do you know that listening is a good skill? They are looking for excellent grammar which utilizes your ability to use transcription software. Guys, let common sense prevail. Transcription jobs are best done on a laptop or a desktop, not on a smartphone. However, there are online jobs you can do on your phone, such as paid service, simple things. But transcription will be a lot smoother and easier when you use a laptop. In addition to all the above requirements mentioned, you must have Microsoft Word, and be willing to sign an NDA on the registration form. You will provide your basic details, such as name, address etc. Your next step is to upload your resume, and please do ensure your resume communicates your transcription experience. Your cover letter will also be uploaded, and you are to have the 2 documents ready before submitting your application. Hence the reason why I said you can work from almost anywhere, because all regions are listed. Information required are years of professional experience, how many hours per week you'll dedicate to Alpha Sites, the number of audio minutes you'll commit to transcribe per day, what block of time you usually work, the transcription software you use, and if you have a LinkedIn profile, then add your link. Anyway, after submission of your application, resume, cover letter, and they like what you're selling, you will receive a call for an online interview. However, should your application not be accepted on this occasion, then you are required to wait for 6 months before you can try again. The interview process will be more of a conversation because they want to know the person a little. As a transcriptionist, the interview process is around 30 minutes. During the online interview, and you impress the interviewer by what you are communicating, then you will be sent a short transcription test. In all actuality, this is the final step, and you'll be on board and start working straight away. Guys, listen up. Please make sure you are as honest as possible when writing your resume and your cover letter. If the information you provide in your resume does not line up with what you say during your online interview, then in all probability you are going to be rejected. Remember, the truth always comes out, so you must be as truthful as possible. The job advert states, you will be working on long-term projects, and you'll have consistent work, which is a great opportunity, especially for those who want to work as transcribers full-time, and have consistent income. Do you know that Alpha Sites are also looking for transcribers of the following language: Korean, French, German, and Japanese? The requirements and hiring process are the same, the only difference being they are looking for native or fluent speakers in their language. They also have other positions, which are not transcription jobs, so, if you're interested, just visit their website and apply for the job that is a good fit for you. Guys, please remember that I'm just sharing information with you, and you are to do your own research before applying for the transcription jobs at Alpha Sites. When applying for this job, please don't rush your application, especially if the job pays well, and like any company, Alpha Sites can pause hiring at any time, and for whatever reason. And if you've enjoyed watching this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe and leave a comment below letting me what you think about the whole idea of working from home. That's it for now. This is Lorna Recommend Money Winners.